This is a tutorial on the Savior Cross. This mold comes from waxandcrafts.com, and I'll post a link in the description. You also need skin tone color and a makeup brush, along with some other aroma beads. So first things first, I'm going to paint over the areas that I want to be skin tone colored. Painting the mica makes it a lot easier to get these colors where you would like. You can try separating the beads, but it's not going to be as easy as if you just paint the mica on. So I make sure I get a nice thick layer, but not so thick that the mica is going to fall off into other areas. Want to make sure every area has a good amount of mica in it so that it will color the beads once you add those. So just check and make sure it's nice and even, and then once we've got all of these areas covered, we're ready to add some beads to it. This is another mold that works with almost any color. So I really like to do white with this turquoise. So I'm just going to add some white and spread it out so that it's spread evenly. And then I like to pull a little bit down so that it'll mix with the blue. Here I got it just a little fat, so I'm putting some back. Then I'm going to add in my turquoise color. So I spread them out evenly again, pull a little down so they mix, and then I spread it out so it's even all around. Now it's time to bake. I bake on 325 degrees for 15 minutes, and then I come back and rotate my pan. So it's been 15 minutes. I'm just going to turn that pan, and then I'm going to cook for 5 more minutes. So it's been 5 more minutes. I'm going to look at them. Sometimes I add another minute or 2. You're looking for the beads to be melted together, but you should still be able to see the individual beads. Now that the beads have cooled off, you can pop it out of the mold. You should see the skin tone color where we painted it. And the last thing you'll need to do is just add some details. I always use Sharpie oil-based paints because I found that those work the best. So I'm going to use my favorite thick Sharpie pen to go over those thicker areas really quickly. And then I like to go over with the fine point to get some of those harder to reach details. But this thick pen really speeds up the process by getting all of the big areas first. So you'll just go over it, adding in those details as you go, and then once you have those, you're ready to drill a hole and string. And then you've got your finished Freshie. Hopefully you found this tutorial helpful. If so, please like and subscribe so that you can get notified when I post other videos. Enjoy!